First on our list is the power of silence. Not everything needs to be said. Sometimes the most profound statements are those left unspoken. Second, remember to stand up when shaking someone's hand. It's a simple gesture that shows respect and acknowledges the other person's presence. Third, protect those behind you and respect those beside you. It's a guiding principle that can apply to many aspects of life, from family and friends to colleagues and teammates. Fourth, never eat the last piece of something you didn't buy. It's a matter of respect and courtesy, especially when you're sharing food with others. Fifth, never throw a friend under the bus to impress someone. True friendship values integrity and loyalty above all else. Sixth, never insult the cooking when you're a guest. It's a basic rule of etiquette that shows appreciation for the effort put into preparing the meal. Seventh, in public restrooms, don't use the urinal next to an occupied one. It's about respecting personal space and ensuring everyone feels comfortable. Eighth, avoid taking out your phone during a conversation. It shows that you value the person you're speaking with and the conversation you're having. Ninth, never take credit for work you didn't do. Honesty and integrity in all things, including work, are key to building trust and respect. 10th, listen, nod, and most importantly, make eye contact during conversations. These simple actions show attentiveness and interest in what the other person has to say. 11th, don't make fun of your friend in front of their kids. It's about showing respect and setting a good example for the younger generation. 12th, never let emotions overpower you. It's important to stay calm and composed even in the face of adversity. 13th, never beg for a relationship. You deserve someone who values and appreciates you for who you are. 14th, dress well no matter the occasion. How you present yourself can speak volumes about your respect for yourself and others. Lastly, understand that no one cares if you are offended, so stop it. Everyone is entitled to their own opinions and feelings, and it's not your responsibility to police them. In conclusion, by the age of 25, you should have realized the importance of respect, integrity, and self-awareness. From knowing when to stay silent to dressing well for every occasion, these life lessons are key to navigating the journey ahead. How many of these did you realize? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to Viral Page Where for more insightful content.